Want to build a clean UI in seconds? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional interface for free using Google's new tool, Stitch. We'll design a dashboard for an entrepreneur managing multiple projects. First, we'll start with ChatGPT to generate a high-quality UI description. The more detailed your prompt, the better the result. So don't hold back and mention things like colors, layout style, page names, categories, and anything specific you want in your design. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into Stitch. Select Web, hit Generate, and within seconds, you've got a polished UI layout. As you can see, clean layout with an impressive composition and color combination in seconds, you can, of course, complete building the other pages of the dashboard with the same method. You can access the full HTML code or use the Copy to Figma button, which lets you bring your design straight into Figma for further editing. From there, you can tweak the layout, change colors, and personalize it however you like. Honestly, this tool is super useful, especially for students, junior UI UX designers, or even entrepreneurs who want to quickly visualize ideas or communicate better with their dev teams. You'll find the full prompt and tool link in the video description. If you like this tutorial, drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips like this.